how you can install these in your Genesis BK1. I'm not sure if they work for the BK2. They probably do. I'm not sure, but this is for the BK1. I have a 2011 BK1. So first thing you want to do is, obviously, this is the Diode Dynamics dynamic switchback turn signals, and they turn from white to orange. So orange when you're, turning, and then back to white as you're running light. So if you just install these without doing anything else, they're gonna hyper blink. So what that means, they're gonna flash a lot. Well, not flash a lot, but they're gonna flash like your bulb is blown. So what you do to fix that is you need to buy a resistor. I got this for $10 at Diode Dynamics. You can buy it on Amazon. This is the CF15 resistor or relay. I'm not too sure what it's called. I think it's a resistor. And also Diode Dynamics sells it too for $10. I think you can get it on Amazon for $9. So you want to plug this. I'm going to show you where you plug this in so you don't get the hyper blink. Here. I already plugged mine out. So this was originally plugged into that. You see, there's gonna be like two clips, not clips, but like two things you can squeeze at this side and on this side. So you're gonna just squeeze them, get your hand behind there and squeeze them, and then just pop this out. And then you're gonna plug the resistor in here. So I just plugged the resistor into this. So now all I have to do is just zip tie this somewhere that it won't be in the way. And yeah, that's basically it. Then you just install the bulbs. I'm gonna show you how you do that right now. All right, guys, it just took the lights out. I'll move my wallet so you can't see that. So these are my custom lights. You guys already know this, but I have the OEM bulb turn signal, so I'm gonna take that out. So what you wanna do is this, you're gonna turn it anti-clockwise. You get to turn this anti-clockwise. And then just take it out like this. And the bulb should come out like this. And the way you release this bulb is, I think you push, and then you turn it anti-clockwise. So you push in and you turn anti-clockwise, and it comes out like that. So you're gonna take that out. It works, so I'm just gonna leave that there. I'm gonna get my diode switchbacks. So you're gonna do the same thing with the opposite. So it has two grooves. If you look on this, it has two grooves. So you just fit that in, push down, and turn clockwise, because we're doing the opposite type of thing. There you push down, then you turn clockwise. That should be set. Just put that back in your headlight and turn it clockwise. And it's in. And also I bought these $10 white side markers. So if you don't like the amber side markers, you can do that. I'll leave a link in the description below for these. So they come 10 in a pack, but I only need 2. So this is it for the side marker. In order to take the side markers out right at the edge, and they're just like the turn signals. So you push and you turn anti-clockwise. They come right out like that. So with these, you just pull these out and they should come out. So I'll either just tug on it and it comes right out. And yeah, I'll just put mine in. It does not want to go in.
A few moments later.
Gotta use a bit of force to force this one in. So I just use my nails and press against the edges. You don't want to touch the light, the LED, whatever. I don't know what it is. And just put it back in, just like you did the other markers, and you should be good. Installed the dynamic switchbacks. This is how it looks. It's white now because that's the running lights. And this is how the white markers look at the side. It's better at nighttime. This side as well. So So the thing with the switchback is it changes from white. What the heck is going on over there? It changes from white to yellow. So let me do that and demonstrate that for you. See how it turns yellow? So that's the one thing I really like about this. And that is annoying. I'm sorry you guys gotta tolerate that. That is one thing I like about this bulb, this dynamic. It's dynamic, so I don't have anyone in the car to do it for me right now, but you can get the picture. And when it turns back, when the indicators are off, it goes back white. So yeah, that's the dynamic switchbacks, and I hope the install was easy for you. It was pretty easy, to be honest. I just had a couple of issues with the switchback fitting. For some reason, this one had some problem connecting, so I had to, you know, fix it properly and put it back in the socket, but everything worked out perfectly. Yeah, that's it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, comment, and share. Let me know what you think, and I'll catch you guys next time.